Having identified your case situation or critical incident that you're going to write your case around, you're going to have to start gathering together a range of data that's essential to structuring the case that's going to be used in the teaching context. Now, there's some main types of information that you're going to need to get, and certainly background information about the situation. For example, if you look at the Bhopal case study that was mentioned earlier, anybody producing a case around that will have to gather quite a lot of information in terms of when it occurred, where it occurred, and relevant information about the incident itself. Now, that will also involve, where possible, relevant graphical information, important pictures capturing things, documents that pertain to key decisions being taken. And in a case situation, there's always the players. These are the individuals involved. And you need to think about who the main players are, other players, what that particular role was, what perhaps motivations they had, something about them that was known that may be relevant and sometimes not relevant, remember misinformation, to the incident itself. And finally, another main area is, well, what's actually been done in relation to the incident by the key individuals at this point in time, and what seems to be the impact as far as we can ascertain it. So that's where you're going to start with your data collection. And like anything else, as you start to collect data, other ideas, questions come in that may get you to look for other sources of data that you didn't think about initially. So this is an iterative process, but you need to get the most relevant, obviously authentic data that you can then start to weave together, which we're going to look at in step 3.